The University of Chicago's Master of Science in Applied Data Science is designed to cultivate leaders who possess both a deep understanding of data and the practical skills to leverage it for meaningful impact. Rooted in the University of Chicago's tradition of academic rigor, the MS in Applied Data Science strikes the right balance between foundational theory and practical application, ensuring you can effectively translate knowledge into real-world solutions.
In every class we took, from start to finish, there was always a project in the class. And really what you're doing is you're building your technical foundation. It was hands down the best experience coming to University of Chicago.
We learned about the theory behind a clustering methodology, and I was able to immediately, within a few quarters when I started that internship, go and apply that. That was where I really visibly saw the value of the University of Chicago Master's program.
As one of the most comprehensive and career-focused programs for data science in the country, UChicago's MS in Applied Data Science lets you shape your learning experience with courses that support your career path. Whether you're interested in finance, healthcare, AI, marketing, or another field.
A lot of things I learned from the program are really helping me because in consulting, I'm able to do things much more quickly. For example, I learned optimization, I learned machine learning, I learned stats, and these are everything I apply on a day-to-day basis.
Our industry-leading faculty bring deep expertise and are recruited from multiple industries around the country, while our partnerships give you direct access to leading employers. UChicago graduates are known for being job-ready on day one. Job readiness is enforced with the MS in Applied Data Sciences capstone experience, where you'll help top companies solve real business problems.
Capstone project for me was fun, it was fast-paced, but we had to articulate why we were making the decisions, why we used one algorithm over another. So not only was it real world, tangible, with the top 10 retailer, but we're actually having to communicate at a CFO level those results.
Situated in Chicago, a hub of diverse industries and tech innovation, you'll find abundant opportunities for internships, networking, and pathways toward high-impact leadership roles upon graduation. Our alumni are sought after by the world's leading organizations, including Fortune 500 companies across a multitude of industries.
One of the really cool things about having classes downtown, and I've also had a class on the main campus as well, I think that it gives you an unparalleled opportunity to get to know Chicago a bit better, seeing as that you're getting to spend time in the heart of the city. It also gives you a unique opportunity to take classes as a professional.
Choosing the University of Chicago for your MS in Applied Data Science yields real value. It means you'll receive a transformative education, a powerful network of alumni across the globe, and a future where you won't just join the data science landscape, you'll define it.